Back on this Impala, I'm gonna straighten out the stereo install. I originally did this install, did the spare battery, 0 gauge ran from the front. This fuse board was down here and mounted solid. So was this amp rack. It was down further with the box I originally built for a different setup. Someone else come in, moved all this stuff, added fuse and wiring, screwed this into the side. This whole board's just flopping. It's not screwed down anymore. Amp quit working, probably because it's bouncing around, got the hell beat out of it. This one's all the way over here by itself, no big deal. I was taking all the fuses out and disconnecting the battery. I'm starting to notice something weird. Can you see copper wire in there? Yes, that's all I use. Copper wire. Here's my front fuse. Started looking funny to me because it's melted there. Copper wire. You can see it right there. Aluminum wire. Well, wait. Surely that piece wasn't changed. But yet, the back of it, there's the other end of it right here, going through the vehicle. And that bad boy is copper in there. So what happened? What is going on in between here? I'll put a new fuse. This one's had fuse holder. Got to break. I see something else in here as I'm doing this. Focus. Under that aluminum wire, I see some old strands of copper wire. Yeah, she's getting hot. Melt. I need a cameraman. Nah, just kidding. I'm already videoing. Even the wires melted in there? What is going on? It's got a double end in there. That's not right. What is going on? Goodness. What is that? Wow. What's happening there? It's some cheap wire. It's aluminum copper coated and melted. This piece is solid copper. Yeah, so anyways, all that's coming out. Didn't mean to bore you with that. I wanted to catch that on video and just show what I'm dealing with before. I'll try to fit all these amps in here where the box will still go. So obviously the reason everything was pushed back and changed is because there was a bigger box put in here. It wouldn't fit the way it was before. This is going to be a fun install to do clean. Really needs some kind of rack for the amps maybe. But I'm going to pull everything out, lay it out, get some measurements, and go from there. come back and show what I end up with. Thanks for watching so far. Peace.